And hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. So today I'm preparing for my trip to the north of Europe, the northeast point of Europe, and also to the Lofoten Islands, which are one of the most beautiful islands in the entire world. So you'll see them later. And on this vlog you're gonna see my road trip from Bergen to Bodø, which is around 1,400 kilometers, with the overnight stop at my friend's place, which is around in the middle of the distance from Bergen to Bodø, like 700 kilometers from here. So just grab a pack of chips, sit back and enjoy the journey. And here I am, ready to hit the road. Car is packed. On odometer I have 0 kilometers. Let's see what number I'm going to have after the trip, as it's supposed to be around 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers, I guess. So let's hit the road. This is how my trip is starting, with the traffic jam. Damn, it will take some time now to get out from here, because I need to reach Trondheim today, which is probably 10 hours to drive around 700 kilometers. So I mean, come on guys, faster. I need to get there quicker than in 10 hours. Because now it's 3:30, so plus 10, it's gonna be 2:30. So on the way I will show you all the spots where I stop, where I hike, which summits or peaks, or how I'm going to camp, and where I'm going to sleep in a tent, in a car, and yeah, all this kind of interesting adventure stuff you'll see along the way. I already did 78 kilometers, and today I have to do actually 700, so there is some distance to cover. I think soon I will make a stop to go to gas station, buy some drinks. I'm really happy now. I just bought a drone, which is right here. Yeah, now I can make a nice photos and videos again, as I had 2 drones before. It was Mavic Pro and Mavic Air, but I sold them eventually, so it was like a half year now without drone, and I need it. So okay, let's go. It's 494 kilometers covered, so I have like 200 something left, and in total it will be 700, as I said before. Now I'm in Dovrefjell. It's like a plateau where you can see or find these animals. I will show you, I will put the picture. Really nice area to drive, because it's almost straight roads, flat. You can see in the distance. If you need to pass the car, it's easy to pass the car. I'm not tired at all. It's like 500 kilometers, easy, no problem for me. Just enjoying kilometers. Trondheim and passed it, because my friends are leaving in Stjørdal, where I will spend the night there, and I have 697 kilometers, so soon it will be 700. Good morning, guys. So I'm in the Stjørdal. I slept at my friend's house there, and I'm continuing my road. I have 707 kilometers driven yesterday, and today it will be same amount, I guess. It's like around 800 kilometers. So I have 9 hours of driving, but of course with some stops. And I need to refuel my car. I have only 25 kilometers of range, so let's go to the gas station. Just filled up 50 liters of diesel and continuing my road. Yeah, it's raining a bit, but yeah, I'll run away from rain, I think, because more north it's not raining, so. Small update. I have 878 kilometers on the odometer covered, and my destination today is Bodø, where I will take a ferry at night, not at night, in the morning, 3:15. So I still have to go like 650 kilometers to Bodø, so it's around 7 hours. North of Norway. I'm crossing it, entering north of Norway. Look at this. So it's only 2 kilometers left to the Arctic Circle. I just saw the sign by the road. It says 2 kilometers to the Arctic Circle. Woohoo! So this is a polar circle or Arctic Circle. It's actually not that cold now, around 13 degrees. I'm at the Arctic Circle. So now when I cross the Arctic Circle, it's only 2 hours to drive to Bodø, and I have a lot of time. My ferry is at 3 a.m. in the morning, and now it's only 8. So in 2 hours I will be at 10, around 10, yeah. So then it's 5 hours. So 5 hours I can do anything around the Bodø. So I will plan something, let's see. Yes, and on odometer I have 1,250 kilometers now. I just stopped at the gas station. Let's put some fuel. I'm on the road again. After refueling, some gummies. Really delicious. Really delicious. See the sun, it's 9:30 and the sun is really high. So in Bodø actually we're gonna see that the sun is not setting down. It's just staying above horizon. It's a cool period to be here. When the sun is not setting down, it's just incredible. So it's gonna be a really bright night, really bright. So guys, as you can see, I reached Bordeaux. It's here. So it's 1,450 kilometers away from Bergen, and I did it in 2 days. Yeah. So tonight I will take a ferry from there, somewhere there, and I will go all the way 100 kilometers to the North Sea, to the Lofoten Islands, one of the most beautiful places in the world. These islands are crazy beautiful. I will show you tomorrow morning because I'm leaving ferry 6:30. So yeah, tomorrow morning I will show you how it looks like. And as you can see, the sun is up and it will never set down. It will just keep going above horizon and then 3 a.m. straight up to the sky. So all night long it's a daylight. That's why I love Norway in summer. It's crazy beautiful here. I mean, look at this panoramic view. All the mountains there, right away there with the cloud. It's crazy. Wow.